This is Balloon Josh with ClownAntics.com, and today you're going to learn how to make my line work Sonic the Hedgehog. So this is going to be my character head design. Now, I love versatile designs that can easily be changed to create many different things and not just one design. So this design I'm about to teach you, I think is perfect for a lot of the kids' favorite cartoon characters right now. So, for example, if you do it in these colors, it's very easily Sonic the Hedgehog. So this is what I would do for my Sonic. Or if you do it this way, it's the exact same balloon. It's twisted the exact same way. All I did was change the colors a little bit, add a bow, and now it's Hello Kitty. Couple changes, the exact same balloon, made the exact same way, it's now Pikachu. Couple more changes, exact same balloon, exact same design, it's now Minnie Mouse. Take off the bow, it's Mickey. This can also very easily be changed into a very quick Paw Patrol. So this is my character balloon that we're going to be learning. For Sonic, you will need 3 balloons: a blush balloon, a blue balloon, and a white scrap. So for the blush, you want about a hand's width, or about 4 to 5 inches, uninflated at the end. First thing you're going to do is a loop twist, and then tuck the knot through the loop twist. And then you're going to do 2 more loop twists of equal size. So there's 1 more, and 2 more, and you really want them to all be the same size. Then you're gonna make about a hand width bubble, and you're gonna do a small bubble and do a pinch twist at the top. And then you're gonna bring this back down, tie it around the 3 loop twists. And now we're going to take the white balloon, and these are gonna be the eyes. So we're gonna just go up and down. So we're gonna tie this around the base. And then we're gonna go up, tie it around the pinch twist. And then right back down and tie it in at the base of the 3 loop twists. And then we're gonna break off the excess. And we're gonna tie the remainder, just tuck it in. So we have the base of our head. Now for Sonic, we need to add the blue. So we're gonna tie this in and attach the knot to the base of the eyes. But for this, you are gonna want more space left at the end, about 5 to 6 inches. Tie the knot around the loop twist, tuck it in. You're gonna do a little bit more than a hand width bubble. And then you're gonna do a smaller bubble, and you're gonna turn that into a pinch twist. Now you're gonna do 2 roughly 1.5 to 2 inch bubbles. And then you're going to tuck the pinch twist in between those 2 bubbles. And you're gonna leave it sitting in between, don't push it all the way through. Now you wanna make about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch bubble, and you're gonna tie it around the pinch twist at the top of Sonic's head. Then you're gonna make another 1/2 inch to 1 inch bubble, followed by our 2 1.5 inch to 2 inch bubbles, because we have a pinch twist, and then we're gonna make the other ear. And just like before, you tuck the pinch twist into the ear. This will keep the ear from coming undone. That's why you don't wanna just do the 2 longer bubbles. You need that pinch twist there. And then you tie this back around the base of the 3 loop twists and break off the extra, you don't need it. And then that extra piece, you're just gonna tuck that into the base after wrapping it around the loop twists. So there's the base of our Sonic head. Now to draw the face, I love doing the Pac-Man eyes for my characters. You kind of make this Pac-Man looking character. It just really gives them personality, but it's also a really easy eye to draw. I know some people draw really elaborate character eyes, but if you're like me and that doesn't come naturally for you, this is a simple solution to make very animated looking faces very easily. Then give him a nose, give him a little mouth here, draw a little tongue. And there's a very quick line work Sonic. Thank you so much for watching. All of the products used are listed down below. Please remember to like this video if you'd like to see others like it. We hope to see you again. Have a wonderful day.